All right, Carla.
Hi, Dr. Lopes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you?
I am good. I'm fantastic. I am wonderful. Thank
Good,
you. Thank you.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I don't know if you remembered when you did your life course, a crash course, 2 months ago, 2 months ago,
yeah.
and I said to you, it's not clicking. And you said to me, go back and review. Go
Mhm.
back and review everything, all the material, life course, the crash course material.
Right.
I did that. And then it started making sense.
It started making sense, and you
And
passed the board too, right?
yes, I did.
I
I'm so,
know, I know.
so
Like, guys,
happy.
I get chills. Even after done this 3,000 times,
Yeah.
I get chills. All what I wish is that everybody kind of learn from people's mistake, right? We all learn from each other. There is no one that's smarter than the other person. I mean,
Yes,
these are
that's true.
these are real students that just went through. Please don't rush the test. Don't rush the
Yes.
process. There is nothing more to pay. It's all included. It's not about money. It's just I
Mm,
hate to see failure.
yes.
It gives me anxiety when I see it. So, Carla, how did you prepare?
As I said to you, when I started September 26th, I signed up with you and I
Mhm.
was moving fast because I wanted to do it in 30 days. But
Yep.
when I came to your crash course, I said to you, it's not making any sense. It's not gelling because honestly, I felt I didn't feel prepared. You said, go back.
Right.
I did that. And then I did 1, 2, and 3, and I improved. My first one was 69 when I first joined you when the
Right.
first diagnostic test. When
Mhm.
I redid it, I think I got 84,
Okay.
and I've gotten all my tests were in the high 80s, 84, 80, 88. The last one was 89. I never got 90, which it's a bummer, but it was okay.
It's okay. It's a
And
learning process. Yeah.
yeah, and I read your crash course review so many times, all the way to the exam. I read through all the 3 documents, plus the last document you put up with the neurons,
Right.
neurotransmitters.
Right.
And the thing I noticed when they asked me about neurotransmitters, they're not asking about all of them. They ask like which
Yeah.
one is the most important. They asking you. The answer is only one neurotransmitter. It's not
Mhm.
like DNS. It's like the first one. Which one is the most
Yeah.
important for any illness? They asked me something about the Brady Act, and I think it's the Brady Act. They asked me about what act prevent people who have mental illness from owning guns. There was
Yeah.
safety, Brady Act, the Terrasoft, and another one that we covered. But I decided to put the Brady Act. I think it is because I don't think there's a safety act.
Yeah, I mean, we can't really talk about the
Yeah.
task, but
Okay.
what I
Sorry.
want,
Sorry.
no, no, it's okay. What I wanted to emphasize is exactly what you said, right? That sorry. What I want to emphasize is exactly what you said. Knowing the crash course
Yes.
review so well,
Yes.
this is your roadmap, guys.
Yes.
But I don't like it to recommend just the crash course review because I mean, you need the whole content.
Yes, I did everything. Yes, I
Yeah.
did.
But as you come towards the end, this is your focus. Knowing this
Yes.
so well is going to serve you so properly for the board
Mm.
that you already knew that you passed even before you finished, right?
Yes, I finished the exam, went back to the restroom, and then went into my car and checked my email. I'm like, yes,
Yes, you
yes.
already know.
I was so calm. I can't believe I was so calm. I just shut everybody out,
Yeah,
I just shut everything out and just focused.
because
This was
even
my one moment.
that your one moment, when I tell people like this is to me, is my wife here? I don't know. It's like my wedding day, right? The special day, because this is when your biggest leap in professional development, right?
Yeah.
I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So almost like my wedding day. Okay. So because it's a special, right? So from
Yeah.
now on, you no longer a nurse, which is a beautiful thing to be a nurse, but you are calling the shots. You have a big responsibilities in your shoulders, and we owe this to the patients.
Mhm.
So it's very important.
Yeah.
And life will be, it's so much better. I have done all
Yes.
kinds of ICU, nurse,
Mm.
ER. I mean, seeing your own patients at your own accord, it is a beautiful thing. So thank you, Carla. Make
Thank
sure
you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure. Make sure you email me if you want to take the psychopharmacology,
Yes.
so I can give you a nice discount as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And
All right.
all the best, guys. Good luck. Follow
All
the
right.
blueprint. Bye
Follow
bye.
the blueprint.